Hello, my name is Cezmi Akdis. I am the director of the Swiss Institute of Allergy and Asthma Research, editor-in-chief of Allergy, professor in University of Zurich Medical Faculty. It's my great pleasure to join the APAAACI 2025 Congress, which is going to take place in Jakarta, Indonesia. It will be on the 9th to 12th of October in 2025. This Congress, I'm going to talk about the epithelial barrier theory, which we have been working on during the last 25 years. And I'll mainly focus on this time what to do for the patients and doctors and how to handle the pollution, how to handle microplastic exposure, how to handle sodium lauryl sulfate and detergents, and how to prevent the diseases developing with the exposure to packaged food emulsifiers, sodium lauryl sulfate and detergents, air pollution, and microplastics. I look forward to meeting you in Jakarta.